Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial. If you want to build a stunning digital marketing website, professional services website, this tutorial is for you. In this WordPress tutorial, I will teach you how you can build any type of service-based website in WordPress. So don't skip any part of this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. Before we go into video, make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. Let me bring you on my WordPress backend. So this is my WordPress backend, and where we need to do some basic setting before we install our WordPress theme. For the basic setting, we will go to option settings and click on general. In the general section, first we have to provide our website name, or we call it site title. You have to provide your website name and also provide the tagline which help you in SEO for your website. Site icon, you have to choose your site icon. You can choose your website logo here. So let me choose my logo. I already have logo here. So example, this is the logo file. Click on set as site icon, and now you can crop it easily and you can review your site icon how it should look like that. You have to adjust your site icon and click crop image. Now we have our website icon. Next, WordPress address should be HTTPS. If it's only HTTP, that means your domain name is not secured. How you can make it secure? You have to enter manually HTTPS. HTTPS only work when you have a SSL certificate in your hosting backend. If you choose hosting or business plan or any higher plan, you have a free SSL certificate which you can install on your domain name. Before we make changes in the WordPress address, site address, in the both section, we have to ensure SSL certificate is activated in the backend. Next, we have admin email address. You have to ensure your email address is correct here, because all the notification, or if your WordPress website has any issue, you will be notified at this email address. If you want to enable login or sign up option on your digital service website, you have to enable anyone can register and choose the basic or default role, user role. So I have by default it's a subscriber. You can leave it as subscriber, and then you have to choose your site language and time zone. You have to choose your country time zone here, and then date format, time format and week start on. Let's click on save changes. Next step, we have to install our WordPress theme to sell our digital services. Let's move to appearance section under WordPress. Click on themes. So in the themes, we have three themes, basic themes, which compatible with WordPress blog editor, but we are going to add another theme for that, for the digital services. Let's click on add theme, and now we have all the themes we can choose to build our digital services website. But I'm going to choose one theme. You also can choose that theme which I personally used, and also one of the best theme for performance, and the layout is also great. So I'm going to search here Bossa, and here we have a multiple themes under name Bossa. So we will choose the theme, scroll down and you will find the theme name, or you can search also here creative agency, or you can search here Bossa creative agency. So this is the theme we are going to use in this tutorial, and I will show you step by step not only how to customize this particular theme, also how you can optimize your website to start getting clients. So here I'm going to click on install on Bossa creative agency. Click on install and we will activate our particular theme right away. Click on activate. Now our Bossa theme has been activated. Next step, we have to click on get started with Bossa creative agency. Let's click on it, and it will take some time. It's doing the process, and then it will install some of the plugins. You can see here it will install Bossa Elementor add-on, and our website will be compatible with Elementor. Kirki advanced import we will use to import our demo. These are the some plugins. Now it's going to install in the backend. As you can see, we have successfully installed all the required plugin. Now we will go to option under the appearance, click on Bossa Creative Agency Setup. Next we have to click recommended plugins we just install to ensure these are activated. As you can see, our plugins has been activated. If it's not, you have to click and activate them. So after we got our plugins, let's click on demo import, scroll down, and where we have to choose our demo content. Let's choose from the category free. Now we have this template. Let's click on import. We recommend to install and activate Bossa theme as all our demo works perfectly with this theme. So we can try the Bossa main theme. That's okay. Let's click install and activate Bossa, and then we will import our demo content, because sometimes they have a multiple Bossa themes. So they just saying just to switch to the main Bossa theme to get this template. So now click next to proceed demo imported. Click on next. Click yes, import demo content. So we have to stay here till we import our demo content. As you can see, we have successfully import our demo content. All data is imported successfully from WordPress dashboard. You can make changes and modify default content to suit your needs. Now we can click visit our website to check if our demo content we got all the content. Let's click on visit my site. As you can see, we have successfully got our demo content as previously we checked. We got all the sections, services, portfolio and testimonial, and our website looks very good. So next step, we have to customize everything from the beginning. Now this template is fully compatible with Elementor. We can easily customize our homepage, header and footer section with using Elementor. To edit the homepage or header footer, we have to hover our mouse to edit with Elementor section, and you will see footer and header. For example, if you wanna first customize or edit your header section, you have to hover to edit with Elementor and choose header. But if you wanna customize the home page, not header or footer, just click on edit with Elementor only. Do not select footer or header. Now we are going to start customize or make changes to our header section first. Let's hover mouse to edit with Elementor and choose header. Now we can easily customize our header according our agency. Now let me cancel this Elementor visit. Now we can customize our header section easily here. We have logo, main menu and the button, search bar. Let's click on the logo and look at here. Left side we have option to choose custom image, resolution, alignment and some more options. Let's enable custom image, and now we are going to choose our logo. So let me choose any logo. Example, let me pick any logo just to show you. Example, this logo. We have this logo and it's visible now. If you wanna make changes to if you wanna make your logo smaller, just click on style and adjust the width. Adjust until you are satisfied with the layout to align with the header. Now we have a menu section. Just click anywhere in the beginning and it will give you left side option to customize your header. First you have to select menu. I already have a menu which name header menu. How you can customize your menu? You have to go to WordPress backend and find our header menu. Let's go to our WordPress backend. Click on under the appearance, click on menu, scroll down and here we have a header menu, the same menu in the front end. So we have all these pages, and all these pages comes with the demo content. If you want to keep like about us, services, blog, contact us, you can keep this demo content or demo menus, and you can customize every page. Let me show you how. If I go to website home page, example, you want to make changes to the about page, just keep this menu section and keep visit to different pages. When you visit example about us, click edit with Elementor and edit every page this way. Example about us, click edit with Elementor, and now you will able to customize your about us page. Same to the services. Just keep click on the different menus and keep make changes. Now we will start making changes from the menu, from the header section here. So we are going to keep our menu as it is, but you can definitely add if you want to add something else to the menu. So this is our menu section under the appearance, and you will see option add menu items. Click on example, you want to add a category for the blog, you have to click category and view all to see all the blog category. If you want to add some other pages to the menu, click on pages, view all to see all your pages. Okay, and then you have to select one by one in the boxes, add to menu. Now we have added some items. So I'm going to, if you want to remove any item, just click one time and look here option remove, and again remove. This way you can remove your menu. Keep select here primary and save menu, because this is our primary menu. This way you can create your footer menu by clicking create new menu, and you can name your menu under the menu name footer. When you select footer, or put your footer name and select in the display location footer, create menu, and then again you have to add the footer item, what item you want to add. Example, you want to add term condition page, privacy policy. Make sure you have already those pages. You have to create those pages separately. Go to pages, add pages, all pages, and click on add pages. Now we have a privacy policy, but we are not going to use. You can get help from AI or ChatGPT to help or create content about privacy policy. Just explain about your brand, and it will generate content for you. Then you have to click add page, example privacy, and now click edit with Elementor. So it will support Elementor. Click edit with Elementor. Now next we have to drag the text editor here in the box. Now here just paste your content which you get from AI, and it will be written here in the page, Elementor page. Okay, or you can also put yourself in the box the content about privacy policy and then publish. This way you will add different pages according your business. Now let's keep move to our header section. We have done our logo, menu, and we have our search button, get a quote. Let's click on get a quote, and here we have option for the button. Choose type of button, keep it default. Text, you can change the text like contact us. And now you have to provide your link. Let me give you a tip here. As a digital marketing agency, I'm using third-party appointment services like iCall. You can use for the appointment. There are multiple platforms, and you have to grab that link. Someone click here, they will go to appointment page, or you can get appointment page or link from your Google Calendar and then paste here under the link and publish. If you want to remove anything from the header, example this search button, yeah, just hover on it, right click, and you will see downside option delete. Okay, the icon, search icon, will be removed from the header section. If you want to add something else, or if you want to add more content, just click on add element and look at the element you want to add in the header. Example, you want to add some text under the button. Just look at here. Example, you want to add as text editor and drag under the button, and then you have to write, and it's not visible in the white color. Click on style and change the color of your text. Example, you want to write here limited offer or anything. This way you can add different elements to the header section. Save changes, publish. Do not forget to click publish every time you make changes, so we don't miss our work. After header, let's open our website homepage again, and let me go to homepage. And now hover again to edit with Elementor. This time we will choose footer. Okay, so let me show you the footer section, this one. So we can make changes to the footer. Hover to edit with Elementor, choose footer. Now it will give us option to make changes to the footer section. About company, you have to provide about your brand or company, what you're doing. Quick links, I always recommend guys to put your services link. It's very important. If you are serious about to run successful business, whatever services you are offering, just put links in the footer section. It will really helpful for the SEO. Example, let me give you example. I'm offering website designing SEO services, then I will display my pages under the footer. And also important links here about us, privacy policy, term condition, disclaimer, or term of services. Because as we provide services, or you can provide term condition and privacy downside under the footer. We have another tab here. So about company, let's click on it, and heading title is about company. You can keep it or you can make changes. Subtitle, you can enable subtitle. You can put something else if you want to add, or like you want to add a tagline about your brand. Or instead of about company, you want to add your website name or your brand name, you can change heading title to your agency name. Okay, and then we have a downside option, title description. Click on it and change, provide the title description up to minimum 160 words. Just to put some recommended keywords. For the keywords, you can use keyword research tool, or you can get help from AI, because nowadays AI definitely can help you to pull out the trending keywords for your business. And once you provide the description, you can paste here. Okay, and then we have social media icons. Click on it. You have to click exact on the corner, edit social icon, not on the icons. And then you have a Facebook. Click on Facebook, and under the link, provide your Facebook link. Keep click one by one. Twitter, click on it, and it will give you option link. If you want to remove anything, example Instagram, you want to remove it, click X to remove it. You want to add more item, click add item, choose the icon, and then in the link, provide that particular link of your service. You want to change shape of these buttons. Under the shape, choose any other square, you can choose it, or go to style to make changes to the color. Primary color, you can make changes to primary color if you want. So let me make it, yeah, this one, little orange. So you have to decide your website color before you go further. You can save your website color. Let me give you how you can save. Go to first your homepage, website homepage, edit with Elementor, and you will see when you hover to the edit with Elementor, you will see site setting. Click on site setting, and here you can provide your default colors, or you can save your color shortcodes, so you don't need to put and again. When you work or make customize your homepage, you can easily choose those colors. We will have to visit here global colors. Okay, and then make changes to every global color. Or you can add custom color. Click add custom color and choose first, provide the shortcode here, and the custom color will be here, and then save changes. Next time, example, you want to choose color here. Instead of choose color, you will click custom, and here you will see all your colors saved. This is very easy way. So you don't need to put every time the code here. Click this icon and choose the color you want to add here. Example, primary here, secondary, and accent. You can make changes the color. So you have to save your color first. Same way to the typography. If you want to add, go back. This time we will choose global fonts, and you can choose your primary font, secondary font, or custom fonts. Click custom font, add style, click little pencil icon and choose your font family. Save changes. Next time you want to make changes to, example, this title. Go to, every time you want to make changes to the color or fonts, when you click any element, always look at style. And now click on title, and then you will see typography. Click this side, custom, same to the color, and here it is our custom font we add as new item 1. Now it changed. You want to make changes to quick links, click edit, and we have here option to choose our menus, footer menu. Example, about us, click on it and provide about us link here. You want to make, instead of about us, to contact us, change the text title first. Title, example, contact us. And now you have to find our contact us. Sorry for my capital letters. Contact us, and we have to, in under the link, just delete the hashtag and search for contact. It should be, there should be page. If there is no page, contact us, and it will not search. Make sure you have all the pages first. Now I will select contact us first. Someone click here, they will go to contact us page. Same too, you have to click example, add item, text, just the text, make it example services. You want to add services, digital marketing, and I want to remove this icon, so I will align it. Remove the icon, hover to the delete. Okay, we have digital marketing. Now in the link, make sure you have digital marketing, your services page. Every service you offer, I will recommend to create a separate page for each service. That will really helpful for you guys. Not just to create a service page and you mention all the service on the our services page. Just to go little bit deeper. On the service page, you have to put all your services and put learn more or read more link, and they will go to your particular service page. So you have to put here now search digital marketing. It will not search because we not have yet service, we only have service page. Okay, this way you can add different items to the quick links. Same here, help center, our blog, and this side you can add your services. This side, contact us, carrier, you can add your contact us, about us, blog, these pages. Services you can make separate here. Contact information, click on it, and you will able to make changes to the contact information. And here heading, title, contact information, open subtitle or title description, and feel free to contact and reach us. Change it here, this one. Click on the address, and you have 3 options to change. Example, address, click on first one, and text, change your address here. Okay, example, phone number, click on phone number, and under the text, change your phone number. This way you can make changes to the footer section. Same to the copyright text, click on it, downside, and make changes to your copyright text for your website. You want to change this logo, right side, click on it, enable custom image, Choose your logo. Example, this logo. This looks bigger. Go to style to make it smaller under the width. Okay, this looks good. Term condition, privacy policy, click on it, and same way add the links. Click one by one, and link option, put the link or search the link. Click publish. Do not forget to click publish. And now click on mobile, how it look like in the mobile. If everything looks aligned, that's good. Tablet, okay, so everything looks good. Now it's time to make changes to our real home page, which is very important. So let me visit to our website homepage again. Now we will move to homepage section where we will start customize our homepage. So let me visit to my website homepage. When you install demo content, you can see here we have changed our agency name to Bossa creative agency. So we need to change our website name again. Setting, go to general, and from the Bossa creative agency, and provide your services name, and then save changes. Okay, so now let's move to our home page. Let me open home page into new tab. So let me show you some of the setting, like if you want to enable preloader. When I switch to any page, you will see one preloader like that. There is a one preloader, this one, black one. So how you can enable this preloader and some other settings, because we have some more settings in the customize section. Or you can visit to appearance and click customize option. The same options will be open. So now we will check what options we get into the customization. We have a lot of options here, so we will follow all these options, and then we will start customize main homepage. First option, header style. If you want to change header style, so you can switch to any other layout if you like any other layout for the header section. And then disable top header section, this will disable. And non-transparent header option, you have to click here, you have to visit down to make changes to the color, because this template right now is compatible with Elementor, so we cannot see the changes right now. The setting for header here, if you not want to use Elementor header, then other settings will work here, so you will able to make changes from here. So if you don't want to use Elementor right now, you will not see any changes because we use Elementor header, right? Earlier we customize our header with Elementor. So sometime when our Elementor not installed, if you work on any other project, so always look for the setting in the customize, always, if you find a header or footer options. So let me click again customize after header. So we will skip the header option, we already done the header. Site identity, we have same options again. We have to change, we can change also logo from here, or if you done with Elementor, you can also skip this one. But it's good setting, you have to keep put here your logo, always keep put your logo. This is the good setting. So, and you can reduce little bit, reduce image, and yeah, website tagline. If you not have logo, you can use your website site title name, it will be visible if you not use. Now we have colors, where we can change color for our website. And the important here, body text color is dark. If you want to make it more dark, if I show you the text, you can make it more dark if you want, but I will recommend to keep as it is. And you can make changes to the primary color, which is very important. So right now the primary color is red something, pink or something. Then you can change your primary color into the primary color option, and it will apply to whole website. You don't worry about the changes, we will get changes later on. Then we have a site skin. If you want to use dark skin for your theme, you can enable this one, dark or white skin. As you can see, this is the dark skin. You will know here. If I switch to default, it will back to default. And site layout style, the site layout, if you want to make changes to the layout of your home page or website page. So right now it's by default, you can keep it as default. So we have limited setting because our theme compatible with Elementor. More settings we have in Elementor. So when you use Elementor with the normal WordPress editor, because this setting comes with for the normal WordPress header. If you want to build with the theme, you can build. If you don't want to use Elementor, then the heading, the header or footer section will work for that. Typography, you can change fonts here for your website, whole website. You can set font size. Font size, I will recommend keep it 22. Font family, here you can change it. And then we have a body. We can make changes to the body text color. Here we will know it here. You can change your body font you like, or if you want to keep default, you can also keep it as default. The minimum here you can see 15 pixel, but I always recommend to minimum keep your font size for body at least minimum 16 pixel. So fix it to 16 because Google always recommend to have minimum 16, so it will be visible for your website. And then we have social media elements, disable from header. This is the for social media. If you wanna disable social media buttons, disable from footer, disable social icon from the footer. So we can check if our, because again the footer is compatible with Elementor, so we can skip all these settings. Then we have a home page, blog home page. So this is the setting for the blog. We can do it here. If I click on any blog, then we have option for the blog, latest post, highlighted, banner and slider, and blog page. Okay, this one style. So we can make changes to the our blog page. If you don't want a sidebar, so let me show you. Let me choose any other layout. So this is for the blog page. Sorry for that, I have to visit blog page first. Now let's try make changes. Sorry, here as you can see the layout is changing now. I keep this one by default. Post number of post I wanna keep as 10. Choose image size, full size if you wanna keep your blogs in full size. Post border radius, you can make some radius around the images, and then you can manage color for your blog. Post category color, this one you can change it from here. Post category color, make it blue like that. And then we have a, if you want to disable post title or font family, you also can. If you want to disable the categories, just disable from here, and the categories will not show. Same here, disable author also will not show here. Comments, you want to disable, sometime you want to disable comments, you can easily disable from here. So I want to only keep the date. Then we have some other settings, publish, and then we have elements, blog archive, pages title, enable. Okay, that's good setting already. Single post, let's click on single post now. Click on any single post. So this is the setting for the single post. You want to disable date or category, same to the blog page, tag list, because we have to configure all the setting for our website, include the sidebar. When you do these changes, you will see in the sidebar there is a little pencil icon. Click on that, and where you will able to make changes to the sidebar. This is called right sidebar. If you want to remove like a search, then you can remove from here. Second, recent post, click on it, then recent post. If you want to increase the recent post here, just to put the number of example 8, then 8 post will be displayed in the sidebar. And blog, so this is the blog for recent post. You can, I wanna remove it. Okay, instead of it, you can add a visit. You can add any visits. I wanna add about the author. Then you can definitely provide social media icons for the author this way. Now author is, you can display about your company here, and then social media icons. This way you can add different elements to the sidebar as well. Publish, go back, then we have a footer. So we are not going to do footer because bosa now support elements kit header and footer, because it, the setting was earlier days when bosa was not support header and footer builder, but now it support Elementor. So these setting we are not going to make changes. If the option below not functioning expected, it's likely because the header and footer you select demo build using this is what I said. So these setting will not work when you use header with Elementor or footer, Elementor footer. Blog homepage, then we have blog single post, 404 page. Then you can set image preloader. This is the preloader. When we click any page, there is a preloader. You will see like this one. You can make changes. Animation 2, let's try out this one. This is the straight line. Animation 3, this is the for the preloader, and you will see here preloader, and then save changes. Or you can disable preloader if you wanna, because sometime it create problem with your website speed. Then you can disable the preloading if you want. Publish. Then we have a breadcrumb, you have to keep as default. Additional CSS, if you want to use any additional CSS, you can use. Now let's move to customize. As you can see, the preloader is nice now. Let's try to see. Yeah, beautiful. Number 3 animation this is. So now let's move to edit with Elementor our home page. Click edit with Elementor one time, and now we have layout. We can easily customize our layout using Elementor. So now let's first talk about the image. The image in the backend is set in the whole element. How I know this? Because there are visible lines. When there are visible lines like this is the container, so that probably the image in the backend. When image in the front, you will see inside the sections. So this image in the backend, so we have to hover to the edit container in the middle. Edit container, then go to style. You can see here this image, same image. So now you have to change this image according to your company. If you already have designed any layout in Canva, so you can design pretty nice banners or images in Canva nowadays, because Canva AI also support create images. I already create one tutorial about Canva AI, how to build a stunning website with the, you can also watch that one. So you have to first change this the image. So this is the image. Actually this image get from the URL. Okay, so if you wanna provide your own image, we have to click insert media and choose any other image. Beautiful, this looks good. Now after this, just publish, so we don't miss our changes. So we have changed the image. Then next we have, so we have one container here. This is for the, if you want to add another image in the front. How you can do it? Click add element, drag the image element. If you wanna, if you don't wanna in the background, they give you both option. If you don't wanna add image in the whole element, you can add your image here instead of backend. But you, if you wanna keep here, that's okay too. You can put something else here or detail, or if you want to add image, that's okay too. Just you have to drag elements like heading here. This way you can drag anything you like from the list. You also can display video here about your company. Just to drag the video element and put the link of your video. You can display anything instead of, if you don't want to show anything, that's okay too. And then creative agency, just to hover your mouse here and make changes. Left side it will give you box to make changes here, creative agency. welcome to Freight Web Vision. Then we have a grow your digital, click on it, and here look at the heading title. But you can notice here grow your digital and creative agency different color. So because of they use the bracket here, inside bracket, so you have to make changes inside the bracket. Do not delete bracket if you want to make keep changes, keep color like that. Okay, if you go to style, you can make changes to the color also. Folks, you will find under focus title, you will able to change this color. This way you can make changes to the color. This call focus title. Always make changes to the color or typography in the style section. In the content, we change content. Grow your digital, you can make changes here. And then description, in the same page, look at title description and change this description. Downside, we have a project and watch video. Click on first project button and look here left side, start your project. If you want to change that text here, example get free. Okay, and then you have to provide either appointment link here or your WhatsApp number, anything. You have to provide link here. Watch video, click on that. In the watch video, you can add link here. The watch video will be clickable. Right now, if you click on this little icon, this is only clickable. Okay, so you have to click exactly on the icon for the video play and change the link. First, you have to choose video type, YouTube, Vimeo, or self-host. Self-host means if you have a video in your hosting or in your files. YouTube, you have to put the link here and then save changes. Next, about us, keep hover your mouse and make changes to every section. Same here, different color because make changes inside the brackets. Let me show you the changes here. We use creativity to this way, build websites, and then business scale, click on it, and there is a percentage. You can increase, decrease this percentage. Successful project, you can make changes to the title. If you want to add one more, just hover on any of these, right click, duplicate it. Now we have 3 sections. Right click, delete. Same way. Here, image, hover on the image and make the changes to the image. You can add your own image like this way. And then description, you can actually describe here about your agency, what services you offer, about yourself or your agency. We are in the business since 1998 and your CEO name here, more about us. And more about us, when they click here, they will go to about us page. Click on about us and make sure that under the link about us link is present. So I will delete the hashtag and search for about in the link. About us, select it, and now someone click here, they will go to about us page. Under the text, you can make changes to the text about us. More about us, you can make changes. Only you can keep it about us or learn more who we are, something like that. And then keep scroll down, trusted partner, you can click here and make changes to the your partner images here. Just you can see here 4 images selected. Click downside, go to cancel gallery, go back. Okay, reverse order. So let me go to add to gallery and again select your images of your brand partners one by one. You can select 4. Example give you here, I select 4, add to gallery, again insert gallery, and those will be changed. Just to show you guys. And then we have here downside popular services where you can display your services. This is what I was talking about. Once we have example, website development is service, graphic and sketch designing, SEO content. There is a learn more. So people will click here, learn more. You must have separate page for that, for each service. That is the best setting for SEO. If you really serious to build your service business, you have to create each page under each service, and you can make this button view all service. So it will bring them to service page here, number 3 page, service page. We will customize it also, and then click on the icon, change the icon from icon library and choose any other icon you like. Insert, now change icon, website development, click on it and change the heading title. You have to provide here your website, sorry, your services, what services you open, because this section is about your services expertise. You have to provide your services under heading title, and when you click here item, title description, and here you have to provide a description little bit longer, little bit. I can give you idea about 30-40 words, 40-50 words, not more than that. And this is the learn more button. When you click here, they should be, it should. So now what is the good setting, how you can build your service page separately? So learn more, right now you can leave it, the link you can add link later on, that's okay. Just change website development and the description for now, and the icon for your service. If you want to display more services like that, you can actually duplicate this whole section. If you want to duplicate whole section, just hover to the corner, very corner. You will see, when you hover, you will see added container, but we are not going to add it. Right click with the mouse, duplicate. Now you will see we have it actually drag downside. Let me check why. So let me delete. Okay, so I have to select the main content, duplicate. Sometime it take time, but it should work immediately. Sorry for that, I have to do it other way. So I will hover my mouse to the middle of the service. So this is the service box, again service box, between it right click, duplicate. Now it will duplicate, as you can see. Now duplicate the service. If you have more service, this way you can display all your service. Now you want to delete it, just hover middle, delete. Okay, so now you have to change your service to your service. Let me give you the solid tip how you can, and you also definitely you want to build your pages to keep this layout, right? And let me give you an idea. So let's go to pages, all pages. Let me give you one example. We are going to create website design page, services, website. I will click here, add it with Elementor. Okay, so now I have a pre-built, actually when we install our plugins, we have one plugin here. Downside you will see add element kit templates. Let's click on one time, and now we have a lot of pre-built stuff here. Even you can get from here, services page. You like the layout, just click insert. This is the best way if you just wanna customize your service with pre-built template. You can do it this way. Example, this is the service page, politics. I will find services page. Here it is, services agency, this one. You can use this one, but if you scroll down you have another one, home to. Home to is not, it's not mean it's only used for home page. You can use this template in the services page, that's okay. And then service detail, here it is. You can use this one, services detail. You have to change all these things to display your services. Example, services one, advisory. Then we have some more, just you can look for services. Here it is, corporate services. Let's click on insert. Then you have to match. That's why I said first you have to add your colors in Elementor, and now it will be easy for us to assign the colors to this particular page, website design services page. But how if you want to match, if you wanna you have already pre-built layouts, right? So let me also give you first, let it insert. So I will teach you how you can use pre-built templates from Elements Kit. It might take some time, you have to wait. Okay, so now we have pre-built template here. So only I will make changes to every section, and the colors I will match. Example, this color, read more, go to style and color. This is the click on custom. When you have save your color, you can immediately change your main color. Okay, this way you can also use pre-built. Let me delete all this stuff now, so I will able to explain another way. Okay, so now this is the blank page. I will go to my website homepage again. So this is the already homepage we open. For example, this is the heading. Same heading you can use for your website design services. Just you have to make changes to all these things. What I mean, you can copy the pre-built these stuffs to build your services page as well. Instead of services, you can make it inside what services you're using. Example, inside the website design, what services there, WordPress, Shopify, then you can display like a service card. You can copy the whole element by go to middle, edit container, right click, copy, and now open your new page, website design service, into another tab of browser, another tab. So we have this tab, we have two tabs. Here I will right click, paste here. So now we have same design on our digital service website design services. I will hide this title later on. That's easy to hide, no worries. So we will start here. I will put here website design services, what we offer, and then I will keep paste my stuff. So if you want to get the same design, so you can use this way. Instead of this image, you can put any other image and you will able to get the design. Example, you like from the home page any section. Example, you like you need definitely testimonial for your website design services for single page, single service page. You can copy in the middle, copy and go to your another page, paste here, box, in the box, paste. This way you can copy your design to any page you want to build for your service. Then you can, another way you can also look at what other pages are beautiful on your website, because we and the template gave us some template only about a services section. Let's go to services. You also can copy this banner section and make it website design service. You can copy this section, okay. Example, added with Elementor. I wanna copy this our services hero section and make it website design service. I will copy middle, go to middle, copy, go to our website design service. I will paste here, paste. Okay, so instead of our service, what I will make it website design service. This is how it is easy, guys, to copy every element. Sorry for that. Okay, then keep paste your design downside. You can build the page easily. So what else we have on the home page? Services, just to make changes, and this button, link to your service page. Click on it, and under the link, search for services, because we have a service page already, and it will find for you. Select services. When someone click here, they will go to our services page. Then completed project, click on it and make changes. Our recent portfolio, make changes. Keep click with the mouse. When you hover, it will auto pop up the boxes to click inside it. And then more projects, click on it, and you can link your portfolio page. If you not have a portfolio, example, you don't want to keep this whole section. To select the whole section, always look at the top where it start from. In the middle, hover on the middle. From the mouse, right click and look downside, delete. it will delete whole section of portfolio for you. If you wanna keep portfolio, then inside the portfolio, click, and there is a according name. Click on it and make changes to your image, portfolio image, title, marketing, data, strategy, and then button if you want to enable button, or you can disable the button. Only image, display image. You want to enable pop-up, you also can make it pop up. It will pop up with the, you can upload SVG, or you can also put the project link. If you have a projects or portfolio somewhere else like Behance portfolio, then you can put the project link. Someone click here, they will see your portfolio. This is just to explain. If you want to keep this stuff, then you will able to see all the settings. Just you have to one click any of the portfolio and look according name, click on it and see inside it what options. Change title, plan, implementing, and enable icon. If you want to enable icon, enable wrap link, and then downside we have a style, vertical, horizontal. Okay, if you want to active behavior, hover or click, you can change it. It will be clickable but not hover, but I like the hover, beautiful hover. So you can enable or disable the button if you want. Here I don't have a button, let me enable it. Enable button, and then under the button you can put your portfolio link. If this portfolio inside in you have already in your in the back end. Okay, let me give you again one tip here. For example, you want to display your portfolio in one whole big image, so you have to go to, you can do one thing. Let me go back to the WordPress and I will go to media, go to media library and click on add media library. You can add your portfolio here. Okay, and here example, once you add, click add portfolio and drop your profile here. Portfolio example, if you have portfolio like image or video portfolio, example, this is your portfolio, any image I pick, and you will see one file URL. You can copy the file URL from here. Okay, and you can put this file URL. Someone will click here, they can see this particular portfolio in big image. It will be clickable. Okay, this way you can enable your portfolio. If you wanna someone click here, they will see bigger image of your portfolio. Or you can also put here background image. You can select your whole portfolio. When you click here, there is a again link. You can click insert media option. Once you upload your portfolio, you also can select your portfolio this way. This will show portfolio. And let me give you another tip here. Wrap link, button URL, another pop-up. Enable project link, style, button. Okay, so this way you can add, either you can add the image here, or you can enable to the button, or you can make the button like visit my portfolio instead of read more, and then put the button URL, your portfolio URL. This way you have to make changes in the all section. Again, if you wanna make it duplicate, wanna display more portfolio, just look at a very middle, very between the elements, right click, duplicate. Now we have another section. You can display the portfolio you want. Multiple. Testimonial, click on it and make changes to the testimonial. Same way, downside, click on testimonial and you can change the style of your testimonial, how your testimonial will look like. If you wanna, I love this style. Now this is number 2. So let's try something else. This is also great. So let me check which one looks good. Number 2, I think this one, hover effect. Okay, click on it and go to testimonial. Next option after layout, choose testimonials and you will see all the testimonial under testimonial. Hurley and Shelley, Brad. You can click one by one and make their portfolio. You can change their testimonials, or you can change their words, what they are saying, customer designation, testimonial review, put their words, what they are saying. Or you can you can create another page for reviews where you can display all the reviews. This is the best practice. If you wanna build a trust with your clients, you can create multiple reviews. You can make another page for the reviews. Then you can link your that page. Click on button under the link, search your review page. If it's available in the backend page, it will be find here. Just link this button to the page. Or if you don't want to keep this button because you want to display only some portfolios, instead of 2 you want to display 4, duplicate it. This time you can hover to the corner. That's okay. Now duplicate. Okay, now we have 4 portfolio, 4 testimonial. Now we don't need this button. Right click on the button and look downside delete. It will delete the button. This way you can display 4 portfolio. I think this is 4 testimonial. This is enough. And then blog section, click on it and keep change as a heading. This is the same process. Anywhere you have a heading, click on heading and change. Look at the left side, all the settings. Description, click on description and open title description option to make changes to a description. Click on the blog section. For example, you want to display 6 posts. Number of posts change to 6. It only visible if it's available 6 posts in the backend. Grid column, you want to make 4 column. Okay, you want to make 2 column. Depends on you guys. I will recommend keep it 3, and in the number of posts 3 also. Equal height, definitely I wanna equal height. Query, in the query you can select post type. So which post can display here? Select post, and you can include the category, which category post you wanna display on the home page. Manual category, or you can leave it blank, so it will display all the category latest post. Order by, select here random, so it will display random post every time. Elements, you can display title, display date if you want to display date here, display author here on the blog section, and then we have, that's all. Then how, if you want to add something else on the home page, scroll down, click on, you can use definitely elements get template. This time we are not going to choose the page because we wanna get the sections, what sections they have. We wanna check the small sections. Okay, so they have example icon box. Okay, you wanna display any section or you like this heading, colorful heading, you can add it definitely. Icon box or icon box style number 13, or image box, or you wanna display testimonial here another, and then testimonial another. We have FAQ. FAQ is very important, guys. If you have service business, always display FAQ if it's possible on the home page, guys. So on the FAQ I will click insert. I will use FAQ. First we will change and match the color with our real color. So how to find which color we are using? This red color. Click anywhere. This button has same color, click on it. Go to style to copy the color. Go to style and look at the color. This is the same color there. Click on it, and downside you will see one shortcode. Copy this shortcode, CTRL plus C to copy, or select it with the mouse, copy. Come down to the section we want to match of the color. I want to match title color, also these colors. Click on the title, make it FAQ first. Heading title, make it FAQ. And then go to style, title, color, and now paste here. The old shortcode delete and paste here. This is the same color match with the section. Now go to one by one, services, style, color, paste again also here. This way you can make beautiful your home page. You can add whatever you want to add sections for your agency and keep match the colors. This way it will, you can make this color little gray color instead of using everywhere the same color. So I will use little So you can set your primary color. Example, we are going to use this secondary color. Okay, secondary color also here. Okay, so this looks beautiful. Now click on the FAQs one by one and go to content option, and there are 3 FAQs. Click one by one. Title, in the title it's a question, in the content it's answer. Change it and go to next and next. You can add more FAQ, add item and title, description for the FAQs. Guys, keep create FAQs for the home page. You can put you can display under your blog if you have a blog section. Now we have some difference here in the backend color. So let me click on the middle style to check which color is used in the backend. Let me click on color and copy its short code. It looks little gray. Let me click. Okay, so this is. Now let me go here downside where you want to match color, middle click, go to style, classic, and here put the same shortcode we just copy. Okay, now you can see the match color matched with the upper section here, background color. And now save changes this way. So then you have to go to your about us page and same to the services page and keep changes. For example, you want to edit the about us page, add it with Elementor, and same way you can make changes as home page and the about us page as well. Because this video is already longer, so because I also have to explain something very important for SEO, for services business. So which plugin can be helpful for you for your business, which plugin I personally use, so I will explain here. So after you do customization, example this video, click on the middle nearby the click button and change the link here of video. This again, this image set in the back end. So this time I will click on the corner. If you not see middle added element, you have to look at the corner gray color added container, go to style and change that image, because sometime when I hover here there is a middle added container, sometime you don't have. You have to then go to corner added container, go to style to make changes to the image. This is very easy guys with Elementor. Okay, same way you have to change everything on the website. Now let's talk about form, which is very important. Let's click on contact us. Let me go to home page, contact us, and you can see the template is very fast. And we have a visit us, call on. You can add it with Elementor, make these changes. And then form not found, there is no form. So what we will do, let's add it with Elementor. So we will paste the short code for the contact form. For the contact form, I can suggest you some plugin you can use for the contact form. So let me go to backend WordPress, and you can see here we already have a contact option because we already have a contact form plugin. So let's click on contact form. If there is no form, there is already form, so you can use same form. But if you want to use any other plugin, I will suggest you this plugin. Go to plugins, add plugin and search for the plugin. You can search for form. It will give you plugin for the forms. We have a Forminator, I try it, and WP form. Both are easy to use. And you can drag to build the form, drag and drop. Let's go to form, contact form. So right now plugin we are using here for the form is contact form 7. How to know? Go to plugins, installed plugin check. There is our one plugin contact form 7 which give us ability to enable form. So that's why it's visible here in the sidebar. All the options, you get new options when you first time install WordPress. There are less options. Right now there are a lot because of this functionality. The plugin we use always to bring more functionality or features. Let's click on contact form, and now you can copy the shortcode and go to your contact form where we add it. So make sure you click edit with Elementor and look at the where is the error. Click on it and there is a option to select form. Either you can select form because it allow you to select form instead of shortcode. You also can use shortcode, but if when you click here and you can easily select the form and form will be visible immediately. Publish. Okay, so the form number 1 we display here. So we will go to form number 1 downside in the contact form plugin. Form number 1 edit, and important here, click on mail where you someone fill up the form where you will be notified where. So 2, you will see the 2 site admin email where someone fill up the form where they will go, you will be notified at site admin email address. In the beginning, you remember I told you to change your admin email address to get notified always. So that setting in the settings, go to general, and here this email, the form someone fill up, they will go to admin email address. But if you wanna send your form notification to any else, just in the bracket, don't delete the bracket, just in the bracket put that email address. Okay, you can put any email address, gmail.com, within the brackets. So you will be notified to this particular email instead of admin email. So let me put here my email address, gmail.com. Okay, downside from email. So you have to actually fix the from email address because by default it's Bosa theme email. So you can put here, let me give you your website URL. What is your, if you already have your business email, you can put your business email here. Or you can do one thing, you can, if you already have this domain, you can put here within the bracket or WordPress at your website name. My website name, breathewebvision.com. Okay, let me delete the bracket, sorry for that. Okay, as you can see now the error fix, only this error left. Sender email does not belong to the site domain because I put my own domain. So when you put match with your own domain, you will not see this error. So now we have this email, the email, go to this email, from this email, this is your website WordPress email address. So you have to create email, this email WordPress at your domain name in your hosting email provider, or if you already have like admin email, business email, then you can put your admin email, that's okay too. Okay, then there is a additional, you can leave as default, that's okay too. From email, you can have any email from the email, make sure it match with your domain name to ensure delivery of the emails, because when we use any alternative or third-party email in the from, those mostly go to the spam folder. So you will not notify when someone, your client, fill up the form and they wanna get your service. You might worry, and because always you will see your email will be in the spam folder. So from email, first step, you have to create email under the WordPress at in your business email, then you can make it WordPress. So you will be know this is the WordPress, the notification comes from the WordPress. Okay, so that's why you can create business email under WordPress at your domain name. Example, when I put this particular link of this domain and the error will go, I will make it example admin only, sorry, admin. After admin there is a email sign and you will see it gone, error gone, because this email, this link match with my real. So you have to put your own website domain name here, use your own business email, match with your domain name you're working on, then you will not see any error. then always you will be notified to this address from this address. So you have to create your from address. This is what I mean. Next, now we have someone fill up here, they will be notified to this address. Next, let's talk about some plugins you can use to improve your business. Go to plugins, click add plugins. Let me cancel all the stuff here. There is a lot of things, you can cancel it. Then go to first, let's talk about the security, the plugins I use for the security for my digital business. I use this plugin AIOS. Search in the plugins AIOS. All-in-one security. I use this plugin. It has 1 million plus active installation and you can see the rating very good. And for the SEO, I use Rank Math SEO plugin. It has AI nowadays, which help you improve your website. And then we have Updraft Plus. You can use this plugin to keep update or backup your website so you don't lose any important work. And then we have now let's talk about something performance. For the performance, let me search for speed. So I will only tell you the plugins I personally try out. So you very important, you have to use this plugin Google to index your website, so Google will know there is a new website under the business. So you have to install this one and follow the steps in order to index your website into Google. But if you want to watch video on that, you will also find on my channel. Almost every video is there. And we have here WP Optimize. You can use this one. I tried this plugin. And what else? Or you can use Lightspeed Cache. You also can use this one. Hummingbird Performance, also good. And you can use also this one, Auto plugin. This is also good plugin. Okay. And then what else? So let's check out some of the popular. You can also use Yoast SEO if you want, but I always use Rank Math SEO for SEO. This is the plugin Lightspeed Cache. I use this one. This will really helpful for to improve your website overall speed. And for the spam protection, you can use the spam protection plugin. For the security, you also can use WordFence. It's paid. You can use this one, WordFence. And then we have, if you have a login, you accept login or sign up, you have to use this plugin, limit login attempts. But if you use AIOS plugin, I earlier explained, it comes with the overall security. Even you can secure your whole website, AIOS. Okay, that depends on you guys. If you have any question, just let me know in the comments, because I always wait your comments. And also, if you not yet subscribe my channel, guys, please hit subscribe, like and share my video so I bring more content for you in future. If you have any question regarding services website, you can definitely ask me in the comments. I will reply you there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.